Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pick the right products for your Amazon FBA business. So yeah, so if you guys have seen my past videos, I usually do a lot of product research for my online arbitrage business. So for this example, we have this product, right? It's a Barbie product. So I usually open up my two links side by side. So I usually open up my Amazon link here, and then my supplier link. Supplier meaning retailer. So, and then from here, I usually compare the two products if they match. So I usually look at the title, description, photos, sizes, measurements. So yeah, for this one, it looks like they're the same products. So Barbie doll and scooter playset looks the same. And then from here, if they're the same, I usually take the cost of the product from the supplier, which is 1724, and then I plug it here, 1724, and then it says eligible no here, which means I need to engate. So I need to manually engate first before I get on this product. So you click on manual engate, request approval. So this product is asking me for an invoice, which means I cannot sell the product. But just for example purposes, I'm going to run the numbers and see if it's a good product to buy, right? So again, I plug in the cost here. And then here is the Amazon selling price. ROI of this product is about 37%. It's giving me a 45%. 45 sales a month. And then from here, I usually scroll down and look at my other competitors. And then I decide, right? Am I willing to share this number of sales with these other sellers? So I'm getting 45 sales a month. And if you look here, right, I'll be sharing with about 20 sellers. So 8 for FBA and 12 for FBM. And then these are all their inventory. So for this one, the quick answer is no. I don't think I want to do it. But I'm gonna go a little deeper and see if the Keepa chart is good. So I mean, it looks good. It looks good to me, but the problem is I don't think I want to share again 45 sales a month with all these people, right? I mean, some people might do it because of the ROI. The ROI is pretty high, but if you decide to do it, it just means you're gonna have to wait a while, right? Because you're gonna be sharing 45 sales a month with all these people. So, quick answer is no. I'm not gonna do it. But for some people who want to do it because of the ROI and they're willing to wait, then they can. So, yeah, next product. So, next product is a Lego art world map. So, again, I open up my product side by side. Well, this one is sold out, but we're just gonna run the numbers for example purposes. So, they look the same, right? So, I usually look at the photos. This was a good product, wow. Yeah. You look at the video too if you want. So, yeah, but to me they look the same. So I'll just plug in the numbers. So again, this product is $250 or $249.99, and the sale price of the product is $459. Wow, okay, $459. Wow. So it's giving you a 48% ROI, about $120 per sale. It's only selling at 60 times a month. Um, What's interesting here is that this one has no other sellers on the listing, but it's probably because this one is sold out. It also says it's hard to find, so maybe it's a collectible. So for this one, I would just be on the lookout. I'd probably save this listing because if ever this product goes back in stock, right, I would probably buy a lot of this product because it's hard to find. Or maybe you would do the retail arbitrage route and maybe go to like different Lego stores in your area, right? Look for this product because clearly this one is a good one to sell on Amazon, but it's just currently sold out. So yeah, that's for this product. So it's a good one. It's just not available from the Lego website, but I would for sure go to stores like Lego, of course, and other toy stores because this one is a hot product that's hard to find. So next product is a Mario. Saying it's not a toy, which is strange, but okay. Um, so it's a Super Mario series. Okay, it's a action figure, I guess. It's for $15.99 on Best Buy. I mean, they look the same, right? So I'll just plug in the numbers, $15.99. So this one seems negative unless there's a sale happening with Best Buy. Mm, I don't think so though. Mm, so let me scroll down and look at other sellers. Yeah, it's all negative. So it's negative because it's either the supplier increased the price. Wait a second. Okay, no. Or there's a sale, or there used to be a sale. But as of right now, this product is negative ROI, so we're going to skip it. So next product. So this one is. So just a side note, if you guys are not using Rakuten, I would use one. So either Rakuten, Honey, Retail Me Not, Top Cashback. So these are cashback websites that you should use, and that way you guys can get an extra, 6-10% for every sale that you do or every buy that you do. So for this one, I would click activate 6% cashback, and the price of that product is $32. Really? Okay. So $32 is the cost. Sale price is $37. Why is that so expensive? So is there a sale I'm not seeing? See. Nah. Home flash sale, 36% off. There's probably a sale somewhere, or maybe not. No, there's no sale for this product. Yeah, this one's negative. So, yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And if you guys got value from this video, can you please like, comment, subscribe on my channel, and that way other people can see my videos so they can gain their knowledge to learn how to sell on Amazon. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.